To encode voucher program beneficiaries in bulk, select Encode VPBs in the navigation panel. Click Bulk Encoding of VPBs. Select Upload Grade 11 VPBs or Upload Grade 12 VPBs. To encode several VPBs at once, download the CSV template and the document How to Use the CSV Template file. Read the How to Use the CSV Template file to learn how to encode the VPB details in the CSV file. Open the template using Microsoft Excel and follow the format when encoding the data. Save the file in CSV format after encoding all VPB details. To upload the CSV file, click Choose File, then select the CSV file. Click Submit. After the system has validated the CSV file submitted, the names of each VPB will be displayed. If the data is incorrect, the VPB name will turn red with specific remarks indicated. You will only be allowed to continue with the bulk encoding when the data in the CSV file has been corrected. Click Cancel, then correct the data in the CSV file. Upload the corrected CSV file. If the data is correct, each VPB name will turn green and have the remarks ready, then you will be allowed to submit. Click Submit. When the bulk encoding of VPB feature is used, it will override existing entries prior to bulk encoding. It is advisable to do bulk encoding first before the VPB encoding. The learner reference number of the bulk encoded VPBs should be validated by the system. Otherwise, the grantees will not be included in a billing statement. Once the VPBs are billed, the bulk encoding of VPBs feature will be disabled. If the school deletes all existing billing statements, the bulk encoding of VPBs feature will be enabled.